Looking for an SUV you can count on? Here are Consumer Reports' 6 most reliable picks as of June 2025. Let's get into it. Number 6. 2025 Kia Telluride. The 2025 Kia Telluride enters the new model year with its reputation for dependability firmly intact. According to Consumer Reports, it's projected to fall within the great category for reliability, a notable distinction in the competitive world of three-row SUVs where many models merely meet the minimum. But reliability is just part of the story. The Telluride also impresses in road tests, earning one of the highest performance scores in its class. It's a vehicle designed not only to last, but to offer a smooth, confident, and enjoyable driving experience every time you get behind the wheel. Backing this up, J.D. Power assigns the 2025 Telluride a reliability score of 85 out of 100, surpassing many rivals and even outperforming its own previous model year. US News echoes this sentiment, giving it an exceptional 9.5 out of 10 overall, the highest score among 23 midsize SUVs tested. If you're seeking a vehicle built on consistency and designed with quality in mind, the Telluride is a standout. It's the kind of SUV that brings clarity to your purchase decision, offering a rare blend of trusted durability and everyday refinement that simply makes sense. Number 5. Lexus Nx. The 2025 Lexus Nx is a compact luxury SUV that quietly builds trust through consistency and reliability. It may not shout for attention on the road, but for those who prioritize lasting quality, the NX speaks volumes. According to Consumer Reports, the NX ranks well above average in predicted reliability, with even the previous year's model outpacing many of its rivals. In a segment where upscale features sometimes come at the cost of long-term dependability, the NX stands out for offering both. Lexus, long recognized for engineering excellence, continues that tradition with the NX. Among all models in the Lexus lineup, it currently holds the top spot for predicted reliability based on the most recent owner data and testing results. With a base price around $40,000, the NX may not be the most affordable choice, but it offers something far more valuable over time. Owners aren't just investing in a luxury badge, they're choosing a vehicle designed to perform consistently with fewer disruptions along the way. For drivers who prefer to focus on the journey ahead without the worry of unexpected setbacks, the Lexus Nx is a dependable companion, one that helps make every mile more comfortable, predictable, and confidently handled. Number 4. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has built its reputation on consistency, delivering the kind of reliability that stands out year after year. According to Consumer Reports, it continues to outperform the average new vehicle in terms of dependability, backed by solid data from the 2022, 2023, and 2024 models. That's 3 straight years of proven performance, an achievement few SUVs can claim in a constantly evolving market. With a starting price just north of $41,000, the 2025 Highlander isn't the lowest cost option, but it offers something more valuable over time: confidence. While other vehicles may face an unpredictable future of service appointments, the Highlander is designed to keep things steady and stress-free. For 2025, Consumer Reports expects that reliability trend to continue. And with a history like the Highlander's, that expectation feels well-founded. In a segment where early wear and tear is common, Toyota's midsize SUV continues to resist the norm and deliver long-term value. In an environment where cars often become essential parts of daily life, the Highlander has earned its role as a dependable partner. It's not the flashiest choice, but for those who value lasting performance and minimal maintenance, it's one of the smartest. Number 3. Honda CR-V. The 2025 Honda CR-V continues to set the benchmark for reliability in the compact SUV class. As of June 2025, Consumer Reports places the CR-V in the high 80s on its reliability scale, firmly securing its position as one of the top performers in a highly competitive segment. Drivers consistently report fewer unexpected repairs, reduced maintenance costs, and longer service intervals. These aren't just minor conveniences, they add up to meaningful savings over the life of the vehicle. Supporting this reputation, J.D. Power gives the CR-V an impressive 83 out of 100 for quality and reliability, reinforcing Honda's well-established record for durable, everyday vehicles. Starting at around $30,000, the CR-V balances initial affordability with long-term financial sense. It's also one of the strongest in its class when it comes to resale value, holding on to more than 60% of its worth after 5 years, an indicator of its sustained demand and overall build quality. When you consider all the metrics – high reliability, low running costs, and strong value retention – the CR-V stands out as a practical, no-nonsense SUV that delivers where it counts. It doesn't demand attention but quietly earns trust mile after mile, making it a dependable partner for the road ahead. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 continues its legacy as one of the most dependable names in the compact SUV segment. Year after year, it proves that its popularity isn't just based on brand recognition, it's built on a track record of solid performance and long-term reliability. As of June 2025, Consumer Reports once again places the RAV4 among the segment's top choices, reflecting its strong reputation for durability. J.D. Power gives it a dependable 80 out of 100 for quality and reliability, a score also mirrored by US News, confirming the RAV4's standing as a consistent performer in a highly competitive market. With a typical starting price around $36,000 for the XLE trim, the RAV4 isn't the lowest-priced option, but its value lies in its predictability. It offers fewer mechanical issues, less downtime, and reduced long-term maintenance costs, which more than justify the upfront investment. The RAV4 doesn't chase trends or gimmicks, it stays steady and dependable, mile after mile. It's the kind of vehicle that supports your routine, keeps ownership stress low, and gives you the confidence to plan your week without wondering if your car will cooperate. In a world where reliability is becoming a rare trait, the RAV4 remains a benchmark for what dependable transportation should look like. Number 1. Subaru Forester. The 2025 Subaru Forester stands as a clear example of what long-term dependability truly looks like. It's not just reliable by reputation, it's backed by years of data, satisfied drivers, and industry recognition. Consumer Reports has named the Forester one of its top 10 picks for an impressive 12 years in a row. That kind of consistency isn't common, and the numbers tell the story. With a predicted reliability score of 98 out of 100 based on thousands of owner surveys and extensive road tests, the Forester sits near the very top of the entire industry. Its overall performance score of 93 makes it a standout not just among Subaru, but across all vehicles in its class. Priced from around $29,000, the 2025 Forester delivers strong value for money. It's an SUV that's designed to last, and the results from over 300,000 vehicles in Consumer Reports' latest survey show that this reliability is no accident. It's a pattern of excellence. If you're in search of an SUV that will consistently show up, take you where you need to go, and do so with minimal surprises, the Forester is that dependable companion. Thanks for watching.